Hello everyone, welcome to this important video where I plan to show you how to maximize your earnings in Qubittech without having to refer anyone. If you have not watched my previous video where I made a review of Qubittech, make sure you watch the video so that you have an introductory knowledge to Qubittech. Like always, I am not your financial advisor. I am just showing you what I am doing. I love keeping it real. I put my heart and my soul in anything I do that is good. Alright? I am showing you how I plan to make a lot of money with this platform. You must not do this. And if you must do this, it should be your decision. Meanwhile, let's see how Ripple is doing. I told those in my mastermind group to buy Ripple when Ripple was still somewhere here, 0.28. That was the time I told those in my mastermind group to get some Ripple. That was last week, not up to 1 week. And what happened? Some of us got in at this price and the price has skyrocketed, and this trend will continue. Remember what happened in 2017 December and 2018 January. That pattern is about to be repeated. As you can see, look at this was 2017 and then 2018 when Ripple hit $3. This is going to repeat. This is a heady trend, headier than this. As you can see, it's above the 20 MA. We anticipate and expect that this will keep on going up and we rally. Some people would say $5. I am looking at $3. Of course, this is not a financial advice. Don't jump in because we jumped in. But if you want to jump in, wait for some pullback and then find yourself a spot and then get it. Let's get back to Qubittech now. The method I am going to apply in maximizing my earnings in Qubittech without referring people is the compounding formula. Qubittech has no automatic compounding, but I will be able to compound my earnings simply by buying a new digital license. In Qubittech, every account, no matter how much you invested, earns the same percentage. Whatever they generate from trade is what every account earns. If you take a look at Qubittech's plan, you will see that for each of these plans, you are going to be making 250% at the end of your investment. This should be in 10 months time, and you are making 25% monthly. And if you click on any of them, it will already show you what you are going to be making, like the bronze $25, at the end $250. If you are going for bronze plus $500, $125, $1,200. If you want to go for 1K, silver, 250, 2,500. For gold, 10,000 account, you are making 2,500 monthly, and at the end, like 10 months, you are making $25,000. And if you scroll down, you would see that they state what they made the previous day, each new day. Like yesterday, 23rd of November, it was 1.01%. Day before yesterday, 0.82%, 21st of November, 0.59%. So it varies depending on the thread, but at the end of each month, you would have made 25%, which will continue till you have made 250% and your digital license would end. So it shows you what you have made so far. Like for this digital license, it has made a total of 1.83%, so still has a long way to go, right, to make 250%. Taking this into account, the 25% monthly, I prepared a spreadsheet, and this is going to be my strategy. I plan to invest $10,000 into this. Of course, you must not do this. 25% return on investment, and then I plan to be reinvesting $1,000 and withdraw the rest every month. If I am to apply this method, as you can see, 25% of 10,000 is 2,500. So in the first month, I would make my normal $2,500. I would reinvest $1,000 and withdraw $1,500. The second month, I made $2,750. I would reinvest $1,000 and withdraw $1,750. I will continue this till the 10th month. Now look at what happens. If I keep on doing this way, in 5 months I would have withdrawn back my capital, right? Which is also normal if you are not doing this. If you are not doing this, in 4 months you would have gotten back your capital. But in 5 months with this method, I would have withdrawn back my capital. Then at the 10th month, the normal return I'm supposed to have is 25,000 if I am not reinvesting. But now I will have $26,250, $1,250 extra. Now this is the beautiful part. Because you have been reinvesting $1,000 each time, you will still have more money working for you for the next 9 months, okay, with each of the packages expiring. So you see the money, the earnings starts reducing, but this time around you are no longer reinvesting. All these things, extra earnings will keep on coming, and you will keep on withdrawing all of them. And the day your last digital license of 1,000 would expire, you would have made $37,500 in all. So you have made an extra 12,500 without having to put back any other money. Okay, so this is my plan. This is how I plan to maximize my earning with $10,000. Now if I want to do 5,000, or maybe you want to try it with 5,000, the same principle. You decide how much you want to be reinvesting every month. If you are reinvesting $1,000, you'll be withdrawing the rest, right? And it's gonna, instead of giving you this normal return of 12,500 in 10 months, it will give you this 13,750 and still give you additional money, bringing it to $25,000 with your $5,000 in 20 months. You could also decide to, okay, you want to be reinvesting only $500 and withdraw the rest. If you do this, it's still the same thing. You would have made $18,750 at the end of your investments, or the contracts you have reinvested, instead of $12,500. If you want to try this with $1,000, which I don't know how it's gonna look like. I don't plan doing this. So $1,000, still the same principle. You're supposed to come out with 2,500, but you will now come out with 3,750. With $1,000, you are investing $100 every month, withdrawing the rest. Okay, and this is what's gonna give you. And of course, you could keep compounding this. You could keep compounding this, right? But this is how I want to do it. I will be withdrawing every month, and then I will be reinvesting a part of my investment. Remember, I am building this without referral. That is how I plan to maximize my earnings. What about compounding daily? The power of daily compounding. This is what I'm going to treat in the next video. So make sure you watch out for my next video on how I plan to do the daily compounding. This is where I will end this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to try this out with me, I will drop my sign up link. If you sign up with my link, you are being placed on power leg. Okay, what it means is that the next person that will click on that link after you have clicked will be under you, right? And then this will accumulate volumes for you in case if you want to show people this business, but you must not do that. And once you sign up, write me an email and I am going to add you to my mastermind group where I share other opportunities I take advantage of. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and bye bye.